Auto Trends, welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving deep into a full-size luxury SUV that has redefined power, presence, and prestige for years, and now it's back, bolder and smarter than ever. This is the all-new Cadillac Escalade 2027, a machine that doesn't just move people, it makes a statement everywhere it goes. The moment you lay eyes on the 2027 Escalade, you instantly recognize its commanding road presence, but Cadillac has refined the design to make it even more futuristic and premium. The front fascia looks sharper and more aggressive, featuring a redesigned illuminated grille with a more intricate lighting pattern that feels straight out of tomorrow. The vertical LED light signature has been slimmed and extended, giving the Escalade a confident, high-tech expression, especially at night. The hood lines are more sculpted, emphasizing strength, while improved aerodynamics subtly enhance efficiency without sacrificing that iconic boxy silhouette Escalade fans love. From the side, the Escalade 2027 feels longer, cleaner, and more elegant. The character lines are smoother, wheel arches are slightly more pronounced, and Cadillac offers a new range of massive alloy wheels, going up to 24 inches with exclusive designs for luxury and performance trims. Chrome accents are tastefully applied, while blacked-out packages add a sportier, stealthy appeal for buyers who want dominance with attitude. At the rear, the tall LED taillights continue the Escalade tradition but now feature dynamic lighting animations, making the SUV instantly recognizable even from a distance. Step inside the 2027 Cadillac Escalade, and this is where the real transformation happens. Cadillac has pushed the boundaries of luxury, technology, and comfort to deliver what feels more like a first-class lounge on wheels. The dashboard is dominated by an upgraded curved OLED display that stretches seamlessly across the cabin, now brighter, sharper, and more responsive than ever. It integrates the digital instrument cluster, infotainment system, and passenger display into one immersive visual experience. The materials inside are nothing short of exceptional. Premium leather, open-pore wood, brushed metal, and sustainable luxury materials are all carefully stitched together with flawless craftsmanship. Cadillac has focused heavily on noise isolation, using advanced sound deadening glass and enhanced insulation, making the cabin whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Whether you're cruising through city streets or gliding down long highways, the Escalade creates a calm, luxurious atmosphere that shields you from the outside world. Seating comfort has been taken to the next level for 2027. The front seats now feature enhanced massage programs, heating, ventilation, and improved ergonomic support for long journeys. Second-row passengers enjoy executive-style seating options with individual armrests, wireless charging pads, and personal entertainment screens. The third row, often overlooked in large SUVs, is surprisingly spacious, offering adult-friendly legroom and improved cushioning, making the Escalade a true 7 or 8 passenger luxury vehicle. Technology is a major highlight of the 2027 Escalade. Cadillac's latest infotainment system is faster, more intuitive, and deeply connected. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with an upgraded voice assistant that responds more naturally and understands complex commands. The AKG Studio reference sound system has been refined even further, delivering concert-level audio clarity with speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin, including the headrests for an immersive surround experience. One of the most impressive features remains Cadillac's Super Cruise, and in the 2027 Escalade, it's smarter than ever. This hands-free driving system now works on more roads, handles lane changes more smoothly, and integrates real-time traffic data to make long drives safer and less tiring. For families and frequent travelers, this technology transforms highway journeys into relaxed, stress-free experiences. Under the hood, the 2027 Cadillac Escalade continues to offer serious power. The standard V8 engine delivers strong, confident acceleration, perfectly suited for towing, highway cruising, and city driving alike. Cadillac has fine-tuned the engine for better efficiency and smoother power delivery, while the exhaust note remains deep and refined rather than aggressive. For those who prioritize torque and long-distance efficiency, the advanced diesel option returns, offering impressive fuel economy without compromising performance. There's also growing excitement around electrification, and Cadillac has clearly prepared the Escalade for the future. While the full electric Escalade IQ exists alongside it, the 2027 Escalade benefits from mild hybrid technology that improves fuel efficiency, enhances stop-start smoothness, and supports auxiliary systems. This makes the SUV more environmentally conscious while still delivering the commanding performance buyers expect. Ride quality has always been a strong point for the Escalade, and for 2027, it's even better. The magnetic ride control and adaptive air suspension work together seamlessly to absorb bumps, smooth out rough roads, and adjust ride height automatically based on driving conditions. Whether you're navigating uneven city streets, cruising on the highway, or towing a heavy load, the Escalade remains composed, stable, and incredibly comfortable. Safety is another area where the 2027 Escalade truly shines. Cadillac has equipped it with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Features like automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras come standard or are available depending on the trim. The improved night vision system helps detect pedestrians and animals in low-light conditions, adding an extra layer of confidence during nighttime driving. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. Despite its luxury focus, the Escalade remains incredibly versatile. The cargo space is massive, and the power folding seats make it easy to switch between passenger and cargo configurations. The hands-free power tailgate, smart storage compartments, and multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin make everyday usability effortless, whether you're hauling luggage, groceries, or sports equipment. What truly sets the 2027 Cadillac Escalade apart is how it balances tradition with innovation. It still feels unmistakably like an Escalade, bold, powerful, and luxurious, but now it embraces the future with smarter technology, improved efficiency, and a more refined driving experience. This is not just an SUV for getting from point A to point B, it's a symbol of success, confidence, and modern American luxury. In a world where many vehicles are becoming smaller and more minimalistic, the Escalade proudly stands tall, reminding everyone that luxury can still be grand, comfortable, and commanding. Whether you're a business leader, a family looking for ultimate comfort, or someone who simply wants the best full-size luxury SUV money can buy, the 2027 Cadillac Escalade delivers on every level. So if you're looking for a vehicle that turns heads, pampers passengers, and offers cutting-edge technology wrapped in bold design, the Cadillac Escalade 2027 proves once again why it remains the king of luxury SUVs. Stay tuned with Auto Trends for more exclusive reviews, future car insights, and the latest automotive trends.